Today we are learning what are the difference between feature and stream. So the definition of feature is a feature represent a single asynchronous operation that will complete either with a value or with an error at some point in the future. It's like a promise that a result will be provided only once the operation is finished. Once a feature is completed, it cannot emit more values. And the definition of stream. So, the stream represents a sequence of asynchronous events that can produce 0, 1, or many value over time. Okay, it is used when multiple pieces of data are expected over a period of time, such as real-time update or continuously data flow. For example, we are fetching a live location that we are fetching continuously data, okay, that we are using stream. Okay, a stream can continue emitting value until it is close or encounter an error. Okay, for example, feature data. We are called the main method in the fetch data. Okay, so we are getting result only once. Okay, and we are using stream. So the call this number stream they are calling multiple time. We are using a for loop. So the each printed after is a 1 second delay. Okay, listening the number of stream. Key difference of feature and stream is single vs multiple. The feature is represent a competition or task that will complete at some points in the future and will return a single value or an error. Once a feature is completed, it cannot be modified. Okay, and the stream is represent a sequence of a synchronous event. It is used to task that produce multiple value over time, like data flowing in chunks. Okay, the stream can emit 0, 1, or many values and can continuous emitting identically. Okay, so the second difference is complete with either a value or an error, and after that it won't be changed. It's like a waiting for a single result. Okay, same the stream is continues to emit data until it closes or an error occur. It can be listening to multiple times. Okay, feature is single result and stream is a multiple times listening. Okay, use cases. So the features when we are using. So when you expect one time result from a synchronous operation. For example, we are using HTTP request or a file rendering. Okay, and the stream. So when you are expect multiple value to be delivered over time, for example real time data like user input, sensor data or events from a web socket. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions or doubt, please comment.